Hi, today I'm going to show you how to play Memories by Maroon 5. The song is on intermediate level, but I also include a version for beginners. And the best part is, without any bar chord. Yeah, without any bar chord. But you'll need a capo. Here's the original version. I'm so sorry for the solo, guys, but I just purchased a new guitar. I hope you forgive me. Here's the acoustic, easier version. To play on key with the easier version, you need to place a capo on the 4th fret. If you're thinking that I've tricked you, saying there wasn't a bar chord, and now you see the B minor, hold your thoughts for a second. Since we're not going to use all strings on this chord, there's no need for a bar. So we're going to play this B minor with the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd finger, like this. have fun with this one. Let me know in the comments what you want to hear next. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I see you in the next one. I'm so sorry for the solo, guys.